Hi, I'm Councillor Imelda Goldsboro, your general election candidate for Dáil Éireann for Tipperary. I am married to Thomas and together we have 3 children, Amy, Ava and Oran. I'm from Ballingarry village, daughter of Michael and Mary McGrath. I am a full-time councillor since 2014 with a proven track record. I understand the issues that are facing people of Tipperary and the working families. I am one of those. I am an ordinary person with the mortgage, the car loan. I live in the real world and understand everyday challenges. I understand what the needs that need to be addressed and the concerns that people have. I am a worker, not a talker. If you are looking for somebody new to represent Tipperary in Dáil Éireann, let me be your voice. Vote for change. Vote for Goldsboro on February the 8th. I need your number 1 and you'll be backing the winner.